हरिओम एवरीवन, मेरा नाम नंदिनी है एंड मैं एक सर्टिफाइड योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ। एंड मुझे बहुत दिनों से मन था कि आई जस्ट मेक समथिंग लाइक दिस। आई नो मैं कभी कभी कुछ कंटेंट डालती हूँ बट आई एम नॉट वेरी रेगुलर एंड आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड माई वर्क एंड आई गॉट दिस अर्ज कि नहीं, मुझे ये वीडियो बनाना है। एंड ये अर्ज मुझे कल से आ रहा है। It could just be a fragment of my imagination, but somewhere I just felt that maybe I need this, maybe somebody else needs this, and that's the reason I'm just making it. So this is a very small session of the meditation, a guided meditation, which I'm trying to do here right now. So जो भी इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, I'm sure you have landed onto this page, to this video, because it is meant for you. and ये मेरे बहुत ही मन से ये चीज़ आ रही है. I think this is meant for you and I also needed this because meditation as a concept, हम उसको when you see meditation as a concept, it's very subjective and it looks like an act कि आप कुछ perform करने जा रहे हैं. But once you start developing those skills, because अभ्यास तो करना है, practice तो करनी है. So once you start practicing it, it eventually ceases to be just as an act and it just happens. Secondly, before we begin, so far if you are staying with me, thank you so much. It really means a lot to me because as I said कि अंदर से कुछ तो आया मन में, because of which I just felt like sharing this and creating this video. Secondly, जब आप meditation करें, so I think there are few ground rules which we need to understand before we begin. And I think I don't know why, but आज मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि at least I should do this संकल्पा to myself कि once in a week I post such content, I post such guided meditation sessions. So maybe a quick ground rule before we begin this guided meditation. First, if you are seeing this, make sure you are sitting in a quiet place जहाँ पे आपको कोई disturbance नहीं है, जहाँ पे you can be yourself. You are able to close the door. If right now is not the time for you to do that, maybe रात के समय में जब भी आपको लगे आप ये कर सकते हैं, please find that place and make yourself comfortable there. Second, we need to sit straight or you need to lie down. There are two things which you can do. Either you sit straight like how I'm sitting right now. So the way I'm sitting right now, this is called Ardha Siddha Asana. I'm also placing a little cushion underneath my hips. Idea is as soon as you put a cushion underneath your hips, your spine becomes taller. So you're able to visualize your spine straight alongside your neck, head, neck, upper back, middle back, lower back and the lower body. It is all in samata. सो सेकेंड गाइडलाइन जो मैंने आपको बोला, या तो आप स्ट्रेट बैठिए, आप एक बैक सपोर्ट भी ले सकते हैं, बट रिमेंबर व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग अ बैक सपोर्ट यू आर नॉट हंचिंग. सो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग द बैक सपोर्ट, नाइदर यू आर हंचिंग नॉर यू आर जस्ट कीपिंग योर हेड अवे फ्रॉम योर चेस्ट. नेक पीछे नहीं भागी, नेक स्टेबल होना चाहिए, नेक स्टेबल होना चाहिए, हेड स्टेबल होना चाहिए. दैट इज सेकेंड. दिस इज द पॉस्चर. थर्ड गाइडलाइन इन द पॉस्चर अगेन, एनी पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी यू शुड नॉट फील स्टिफनेस. किसी भी चीज़ को होल्ड करके नहीं रखना है, हर पार्ट को रिलैक्स रखना है. योर जॉज, योर शोल्डर्स, एवरीथिंग शुड बी रिलैक्स्ड. एंड द लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, डोंट फाइट योर थॉट्स. मेडिटेशन का ये सबसे की रूल है. हमें लगता है मेडिटेशन का मतलब इस जहाँ हम थॉटलेस बन जाएं, there are no thoughts at all. No, that can't happen. thoughts are supposed to come. Thoughts आएंगे जाएंगे. The main thing is what we are trying to do through meditation. I think 2 कीवर्ड आज हम उनको समझ सकते हैं, which is one, increasing our attention, the alertness, how alert we are with the emergence of the thoughts, and the mindfulness. Are we able to filter out the thoughts? Are we being mindful during our meditation? Are we being attentive? Are we being alert the way thoughts are coming and going? So ये जो 2 keywords आज मैंने बोले हैं, ये बहुत ही important है. Maybe in my next video I can dwell more into that, but for now आपके लिए एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो आप याद रख सकते हैं. थॉट्स को फाइट नहीं करना है. अगर कोई थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, लेट देम कम एंड लेट देम सिंपली गो. डोंट ट्राई टू एनालाइज दोज थॉट्स. तो अगर कोई थॉट आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है, आप उसके ऊपर सोचना मत शुरू कर देंगे कि अरे ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा, ऐसा होगा. नो, लेट देम कम, एक्नॉलेज, लेट देम गो. जस्ट लाइक अ क्लाउड. जैसे क्लाउड आते हैं जाते हैं, वैसे उनको आने देंगे और जाने देंगे. ओके, सो विद दैट ये सारे ग्राउंड रूल्स जो हैं हमारे, वो सबको क्लियर हैं. एंड आई वॉन्ट यू टू देन सिट ईदर इन अ कंफर्टेबल posture, seated posture, or lie down on your mat or a bed. Let's begin. Closing your eyes softly. Inhale deeply. Exhale all the air out from your body. Inhale, feel the breath on your nose, the nostrils. Exhale, feel the air passing through your nostrils. Inhaling and exhale completely. Feel the touch of the breath in and around your nostril. Continue to breathe in and breathe out. Beautiful. Let your breath be as slow as possible, as gentle as possible. Inhaling deeply, exhaling completely. Bring your focus to your chest. Inhale, feel the lifting of your chest. Shifting your focus to the abdomen. Exhale, contract the abdomen. Exhale all the air out. Continue with this awareness. Inhaling, focusing on your chest. Exhaling, contracting the abdomen softly, and then expel all the air out. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale, tighten your body completely. सारी मसल्स को टाइट करेंगे, अपने फेशियल मसल्स को स्क्वीज करेंगे. Hold your breath. Exhale, release the tightness from your entire body. एक और बार करेंगे. Inhale, tighten your muscles, all the facial muscles, the body muscles, the legs, the hands, the palms, everything is tight. Complete your inhalation and hold your breath. Hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. Exhale, release. Taking the normal breathe in and breathe out. Bring your focus and attention to the tip of your toes. Tip of your toes of both Now squeeze both the toes of both the feet. दोनों पैरों की उंगलियों को स्क्वीज करेंगे. नॉर्मल ब्रीद इन ब्रीद आउट करते रहेंगे. स्क्वीज the toes of both the feet. Squeeze them. Tighten the muscles then. Tighten. Squeeze them. Squeeze them. Hold this pressure. Hold this pressure. Hold this pressure and release. Amazing. Bring your attention to your ankles. दोनों पैरों के ankles की तरफ अपने focus को लेके जाएंगे. And physically try to squeeze, create the tension around the muscles of your ankle. आपके जो ankles के muscles हैं उसके around muscles में tensions को create करेंगे. Tense, normal breathe in breathe out करते रहेंगे. Tense, 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 release. Feel the lightness as and when you release that tension, that tightness. Moving your awareness to your calf muscles. Visualize the calf muscles of both the legs and start tensing the calf muscles. Tense, 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 tense. Hold that tension and release. Again, the sense of lightness, awareness, moving to the back of your thighs, the front of your thighs, the sides of your thighs. Start tensing the muscles of your entire thigh of both the legs. Physically muscles को tense करेंगे. Keep on tensing. Tense, 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 tense. Hold that tension. Release. Normal inhale करेंगे and mouth से exhale करेंगे. Let's do it together. Inhaling through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Beautiful. Bring your attention to your groin region, to your pelvic floor, your reproductive organs. और हमारी लोअर बॉडी को स्क्वीज करना शुरू करेंगे. स्क्वीज, पेल्विक मसल्स को स्क्वीज करेंगे. स्क्वीज, 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 स्क्वीज. होल्ड इट, टाइटन इट, टाइटन, टाइटन and release. Feel the lightness. मन की शांति. ब्रेथ बिल्कुल शांत. विचार बिल्कुल निर्मल. अभी अपनी अवेयरनेस को लोअर बैक पे लेके आएंगे. And as you start visualizing your lower back and the muscles around it, you also be aware about your abdomen, your navel region. So आगे और पीछे in and around your navel, abdomen and the lower back. सारी मसल्स को स्क्वीज़ करेंगे, एब्डोमिन को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, लेफ्ट एंड राइट की मसल्स को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, टाइटन करेंगे. फील द प्रेशर, अ वेरी लाइट प्रेशर ऑन योर लोअर बैक एंड टाइटन, 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 tighten. Hold this tightness and release slowly. एक हल्केपन को महसूस करेंगे. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Move your awareness upward towards your chest, visualizing your rib cage, the lungs underneath, your heart on the left, and how your rib cages are connected to your spine on your upper back and the middle back. This is an opportunity and the time for you to relax your upper back, middle back and the lower back. Awareness को फिर से chest पे लेके आएंगे. Inhale करेंगे completely. Fill your chest. Feel the heaviness and tightness on your chest and hold that tightness. Normal breathe in, breathe out करते रहेंगे if you want, otherwise you can hold your breath. Chest tighten, 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 release. Moving the awareness around your neck. Visualize your neck, front and back, left and right, and start squeezing and straining your neck muscles physically. Tense, 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 and release. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Inhale, bring your attention, awareness on your complete face, your forehead, eyebrows, both the eyes, both the nostrils, both the cheeks, upper lip, teeth underneath, the gums attached to the teeth, your tongue, lower lip, chin, jaws on both the sides, and from the jaws you reach the back of your ears and you see both the ears. As you visualize your both the ears, imagine करेंगे as if you are pulling both the ears. अपने कानों को बंद आँखों से आप अपनी मानसिक शक्ति यूज करके खींच रहे हैं. Feel those sensations in and around your ears. Awareness को वापस से facial muscles पे लेके आएंगे and squeeze your entire face. अपने पूरे face को squeeze करेंगे, eyes को squeeze करेंगे. Everything is squeezed and maintain this squeeze, 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 squeeze. Release, exhale through the mouth. Inhale, bring your awareness to the top of your head, the crown of your tighten and tense all your head muscles. So आपके सर का जो ऊपर का भाग है, जहाँ पे आपके बाल जुड़े हुए हैं, आपकी स्कैल्प, अपनी मेंटल पावर से स्कैल्प को टेंस करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Even if it is not happening, it's fine. You just try to do that with your मानसिक शक्ति. Tense, 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 tense. Inhale completely. Exhale, relax, and exhale from the tip of your toes. Inhale till the top of your crown. Exhale from the tip of your toes. अपने शरीर को पूरा ढीला छोड़ेंगे. सांसें एकदम सरल, विचार बिल्कुल मंद. मन एकदम शांत एंड सरल. चेहरे पे एक हल्की सी मुस्कान. And your heart is full with only and only gratitude for this body, for this breath, for this life on this earth, to experience the subtle nature of the breath and the prana moving in our body. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. If you want to lie down, you can. And whenever you feel ready, you can turn to one side and get up. Those who are already seated, whenever you feel ready, you can gently blink your eyes and open. See you soon in the next video. Hari Om.